Here we comes with the second part of the podcast with Mr. Sushil Kumar Panda. He runs his own business and is in market in stock market from 2009. So he's a well experienced person in terms of trading and investing. I hope you guys have seen the first part of the podcast where we discuss about the stock market, how it works. So if you are ready with full focus and concentration over here, let's begin the second part. So, what was your biggest loss and biggest profit in the stock market?
My biggest loss was at that time only in the year of 2011.
Okay,
So it is around 45,000.
45,000.
45,000.
Okay.
And biggest profit in a single day, what I can say around 10, 12,000.
10 to 12,000. Okay. But you used to keep your like fixed target, no more greediness or something like that. Na?
No, there is nothing like greediness.
Okay.
Listen, I used to means what to say. Like if I am if I am having a portfolio, let's say 1 lakh. Okay,
Mhm.
if I am investing at a stage of like market is running around 15,000,
Yeah.
Nifty is trading at 50,000.
Mhm.
If I am having 1 lakh, then I should invest around 20,000 in at the current level. Then I
Yeah.
should keep 80,000 for backup. If market falls to 13,000, then I should enter some more.
Yeah.
If market is coming to 12,000, then I should enter some more.
Okay. That's a strategy to invest.
It's the strategy.
Yeah. Great.
So that means if I am having an amount of 1 lakh and I am entering at 15,000 with 100%, then I have to wait. When the market
Correct.
will come over 15,000, then I will be getting some profit. It
Yeah.
might be
Correct.
huge, but it comes to 13,000. That will be trading between 13,000 to 14,000, 13, 14, 13, 14. It will become rain bound.
Yeah. Correct.
Then what can you do? We have to bring some extra amount.
Yeah. That's one of the I think perfect
Yeah,
thing, for the
it
beginners
is
who
the
want.
major thing where the maximum newcomers are failing.
Yeah. They just put their whole money into a single time at a single time, and then the market just go for the retracement, and they just come book some loss and come out of the market.
Right. One more thing is there. If I am having an amount of 1 lakh and
Hmm.
I am going to invest in stock market, like an investment. If I am putting 100, means my 100% into it, uh, fully 1 lakh into investing,
Hmm.
then I have to diversify my investment.
Yeah.
Like 20% into pharma sector, 20% into IT sector,
Hmm.
20% into FMCG sector,
Yeah.
20% into agriculture sector,
Okay.
and 20% into banking sector. We have to divide our income in 5 different sectors, so that if like now it's Corona time, pandemic,
Yeah.
and many things have been stopped.
Hmm.
Then now the best thing is if I have invested in 5 sectors, then banking might fail, auto sector might fail,
Yeah.
but
Correct.
FMCG and pharma sector are running.
Yeah. Correct. That's I think you by talking to you, things are looking very logical in stock market. Yeah, because
Correct.
what I see in now today in YouTube or in Instagram, people just to write in their profile link that they are the pro traders by just showing some of the profits. Yeah, but what you taught just now before in two to 3 minutes, that was very pure logical, and I think that came out of experience only. Yeah.
Uh, what I will say, but those people are sharing their profits. Why don't they are sharing their losses?
Yeah.
Is there someone who is sharing whole trading ledger?
No. They
If
they
someone
just
is
show
sharing,
they just show their best. Don't
right.
don't show their worst.
If someone is sharing their entire ledger, where they got the profit and where they got some loss, then
Yeah.
we can think that there is a thing.
Oh yeah.
I can share you my entire profits, no issues. But there are, I guess, share entire whole year's ledger I have maintained. But
Okay.
the thing is, you will be finding very small profits, like
Hmm.
500, 600, 1200, like these things.
Yeah, yeah. Correct, correct, correct.
बूंद बूंद में सागर बनता है भाई.
सही
You
बात
have
है,
to
सही.
trust.
या ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस. ओके. सो जब वो आपको लॉस हुआ ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम 47,000 का, सो उसके बाद कैसा लगा? मतलब मन नहीं किया कि मेरे को स्टॉक मार्केट नहीं करना चाहिए एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, और शायद मेरा और पैसा डूब जाए?
At that time, वो time में तो it was my whole savings.
ओके, ओके.
First of all, I would like to say.
या.
Then after, I was also depressed a lot, but I have not left the market.
ओके.
When I was working at Arcadia, then after I need money. Then I have joined as a employee at Emco Netcom India Limited.
ओके, ओके.
There I got some salary
ओके,
to recover that amount.
ओके, ओके, ओके.
Okay. Then after, but market that not supported at that time, at the very young age with less experience about the market.
या.
I have switched the thing to emphasis.
ओके.
There I was working as a telecom agent, but
हाँ.
after 4-5 months, I got promoted to quality control manager. Like I
Okay.
used to audit the calls.
ओके, ओके. ग्रेट.
Then after some days, my one of my friend called me for an international process to
ओके.
work with. Then in the same day, I left that company
ओके,
after
ओके.
discussing with him. Then we
Okay.
started Black Pros Solutions
Yeah.
LLP. It's
Okay.
an international BPO type of thing, BPO and KPO type of thing. We used
Okay.
to provide services to in different sectors
Okay.
like accounting and CRM, all these things.
Fine, 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 fine. So in 2020 and 2021, ड्यू टू लॉकडाउन और कोरोना की वजह से बहुत सारे लोगों के पास घर में बैठे हैं, तो उनके पास टाइम है मार्केट्स को देखने का. सो दे हैव जस्ट जम्प्ड इनटू द मार्केट. And they have made losses also. People are just and people have made profits, those who are selling those courses of like do this for trading, do this for investing, see this, see that. So what do you think, that what can be the best advice you can give them to those who are the beginners, in those who have joined in 2020 or 2021?
Yeah, getting coming to your point, I would like to advise those who are trying to invest in market or who want to enter into the stock market.
Yeah,
I would like to advise each and everyone. There is a there is a very genuine teacher. One is there. You can get it. Get him on Google also.
okay.
His name is Kundan Kishore.
Kundan Kishore sir.
Kundan Kishore sir, who is providing entire fundamentals of stock market at a cost of 990 one time.
Okay.
His course duration is around 3 months. Okay. Daily classes will be, he has uploaded everything in his web portal.
Okay.
You have to just subscribe the thing, and you will be getting daily one lesson around 45 minutes to 1 hour.
Okay.
I have suggested some of my friends, and they are get benefited.
Okay. And
I have also gone through those things. After let's get the fundamental things first, how the market works, how the things are going on. Okay, then after we can pick up some pro type of things.
Okay.
But I hope it's my belief that if someone is going through this course, then we can means at least you will get an ample amount of fundamental things that what the market is and how the things are working.
Okay.
At least you will not have a fear of out of market of losing money.
Yeah. Correct. So whatever, how much you invest in a stock market, like how much you earn, and then how much percentage you invest in a stock market today, at this point of time?
Stock market thing, frankly, I would like to say, if someone is investing in an amount of, according to my experience,
okay,
if someone is what I have got when I have invested an amount of 1 lakh in stock market, I got a return of around 2 to 3% per month.
Okay.
Genuinely.
Okay.
If someone is investing, when I increase that investment up to 5 lakhs,
okay,
I got an return of around 4 to 5%.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what I'm expecting, if someone when someone is investing around 10 lakhs also, will be
Mhm.
getting an return of around 6 to 7% maximum. As a
Okay.
safer side, what I am saying, if someone is going to work in a safer side, then he can income that much.
Mhm.
Why I am saying, you can say that I am investing, if I am investing 10 lakhs, if I am getting movement of 10 points, then I can get a return of around 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs in a
Yeah.
single trade.
Yeah.
Why
Yeah.
then 6 to 7% per month?
Mhm.
What I have told, we have to invest in a strategic manner.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Correct.
Like I am a full-time trader of silver. Okay.
Mhm.
Since 2009 till date, I am working 90% on silver only,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
and 10% in different segments like equity things or investing in stocks and companies.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Today silver is trading at 74,000. Okay.
Mhm.
I have invested 1 lakh in 74,000 level.
Yeah.
If silver comes to 65, then I am investing around 1 lakh in 64.
Yeah.
If silver comes to 60, then I
Yeah.
am again investing 1
One.
lakh.
Correct. Correct.
From
Correct.
74 to 60, I've invested hardly 4 lakhs.
Yeah.
I've kept 6 lakhs as a backup. If it comes 30,
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. 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 Correct.
I am a pure positional trader. Listen, market is purely unpredictable.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Correct. Correct.
Uh, Market works as a fundamental thing, like with the increase in demand and supply, it increases and decreases.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Correct.
There are some chart patterns are there, some fundamental things are there, like the indicators are there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everything becomes after the moment.
Yes. Yes. Correct. Correct. Correct.
Chart is
That's the
forming
point.
according to the moment.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Correct. Correct.
The chart is following the price. Price is not following the chart.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Correct. Correct.
Chart is
That.
forming after the price happens.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the truth of
Okay.
the stock market, that everything happens with the price. If you can read the price, if you can, like, if you have good knowledge, and that comes out of years, like experience
All right.
of years.
All right. Sometimes charts can be predictable. Like you are riding a bike on the road
Hmm.
with viewing the level of crowd. You can assume how much time it will take to travel a distance of 10 kilometers or
Yeah.
15 kilometers.
Yeah.
Same thing happens in the stock market.
Yeah.
With a view of, but you can't confirm that, you can guarantee that you will reach your destination in a particular time,
No. No. No.
because you are not confirming about the crowd.
Yeah.
You can visualize a crowd of around 100 meters. You cannot confirm that the crowd is what is the crowd level after 1 2 kilometers.
Correct. 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 Correct.
But there are some stages where you can assume that this much 2 3 kilometers will be very fine, and 2 3 kilometers is a market area that will be crowd.
Yeah.
Same thing happens in the market,
Correct. 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 Correct.
where our assumption somehow matches to the market, and
Mhm.
but it is a thing like 50-50 type of thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
If someone is working in intraday type of thing, if someone is working intraday, then he have to square up his position till the end of the day.
Yeah.
There is no guarantee that he will be getting a plus.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
It is a type of what I will say. It is type of tukka. Purely,
Correct. Correct. Yes. Yes. Yes.
stock
So.
market is a pure thing of investment.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. 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 Correct.
If you are willing to get some good amount of money,
Correct. Correct.
yes, some people are getting money out of it, making career in stock market. Those who are broking out of it, means
Providing services.
providing the services, they are
Yeah.
getting the money,
Correct. 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 Correct.
because
So,
they encourage us to buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell.
and then they get the charges.
They get the charges, and they will getting their
Yeah. Yeah.
payouts over there.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
We people who are investing in it, we are just getting excited by their things and
Correct. 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 Correct.
getting the losses.
Now, are you doing some startup or something like that?
What I am doing, yeah, we are having a startup of Black Pro Solutions only.
Okay. Okay.
We have started it around 2014,
Okay,
and we have also recognized from Startup Odisha.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay,
Congrats for that.
thanks.
It's a proud moment.
Yeah, we have just registered the
Okay,
second
okay,
number out of it.
okay,
Now also we are running out of it, and we are providing CRM services and accounting services,
okay, okay, okay.
and, and we are having some international projects also, like international telecalling things.
Okay, okay, okay. So, do you have some team or how many members are there?
Yeah, we are in our team. We are four partners. Like
Okay,
two of us, we are classmates only from childhood friends,
okay, okay,
and
great.
two are our close friends only.
Okay, okay, okay. Good, 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 great. So, like, I think your work experience has made you to come up to this. You are working from at the age of 14 and till now, and you have got a lot of experience, and then you have made this company, this firm.
Yeah, coming at this stage, I have to come through face different phases like of things. Like
Yeah,
all are type of blessings for me. All are very good. I have gained a lot of experience, very good experience also.
yeah.
Uh, like I was working with my friend at Lex Protector International Law Office as an
Hmm.
admin, and
Okay,
also working at Sion India Advanced Solutions, it a software company as an
okay,
admin and tech support.
okay, okay, okay.
Now also in parallelly, I was working with Black Pro Solutions,
Okay, okay.
and I was also taking care of admin part of things and also managing different things.
Okay, okay, okay. So from 2014 to till 2021, you are working in a single startup. You have not changed your idea, or you have not like switched to somehow to something else. So what is the main reason that you are consistently focused on this idea and this platform?
Um, Black Pro is a core thing. Like it is an identity to me that I am a partner of Black Pro Solutions LLP.
Okay.
And in the backend, I am also continuing my studies of researching our stocks and markets, and also having some investments out of it. All
Yeah.
these things.
Okay.
But
Okay.
to stick with Black Pro is an honor.
So it was good time talking to you. I just want to ask my last question.
Okay.
That if in a stock market someone was the new and he just say whatever his savings were there and he just lost it, but he wants to get wants to get back into the trading field, because as we know, like it's like swimming. If you want to be a good swimmer, you have to come back in the pool and have to trade again, have to swim again. It's a skill. Yeah, so for trading is trading is like swimming, also like swimming only. So if you he wants to get back into the market, if he wants to earn, he needs to come back to the market. But after such a big losses, like when whole savings blown up, so how to come into the market and how to get those courage?
Let me come with your example only.
Okay.
When you are planning to swim,
Hmm.
first swim in the training pool. Then after you you can jump into a river or sea.
Yeah, 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 correct, correct, correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Same way, if you are you are willing to make your career in trading, or if you want to recover your losses in the market, loss
Yeah.
is the tuition fees of the market. First thing,
Okay, okay.
whatever loss you are making, it is the tuition fees of the market.
Yeah.
You have to assume like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Then after, what you have to do, you have to go through proper process. You have to read the fundamentals, what I have told, proper
Mhm.
literature, get the proper knowledge,
Yeah.
then come to the market. With first you can when you are coming to the market, get some experience.
Yeah. Correct,
If
correct.
you are preparing some strategy that I have trade like this, like this, like this, market is there on your screen. Okay,
Mhm.
I'll do some paper trade. I'll do some practice.
Yeah, yeah,
Market
correct.
is there for the whole lifetime.
Mhm.
Okay, I'll do some paper trade. Whatever strategy I am, if I am thinking that I will working a certain strategy,
Yeah,
then start some paper trade for two
yeah,
three months.
yeah,
If
correct.
it successes, if you are getting success out of it, if you are getting a result out of it, then you can do the things in a real trading.
Yeah, correct.
Why
That's the
to
point.
try directly in the live market with the full
Yeah.
money? That's my point.
Correct. We should do some paper trading and practicing.
In my experience, till today also, what I am doing, if I am coming out with some strategy, I used to paper trade for 3 months.
Hmm.
Then after, I would like to, I'm working on it.
Okay. Then only investing once you get confidence in that strategy. Okay. So it was a very good time talking to you. And since I'm learning trading, it's a very great experience for me to get some knowledge from a such a great experienced person. Like you're trading from 2009 and till now. So it was good talking to you. I think now my mind it's clear that it's a long run game. It's a marathon. You have
Yeah,
to
yeah, it
uh,
is.
yeah, you have to like run slow and steady to reach the goal, and not to just keep on like running very fast and just sitting at in the middle. There is no meaning of it. Yeah. So it happens with the traders also, that they just jump into the market, they will lose the capital, and then they sit at the side. But there is no meaning if you sit at the side. You have to just come back again and have to start slow and steady, as you told, and these points you gave. I think these will definitely help me and the people who wants to be big, who wants to become trader, and who wants to like start their career in the stock market. And I think stock market is for everyone who wants to invest. Yeah, if
Yeah.
it's
Market is for everyone. Market is open for everyone. There is opportunity for each and everyone. The
yeah,
thing is how you are taking it, how you are achieving your things, how prepared are you.
correct.
If you are driving a car or bike, first you need to get proper knowledge, get the license.
Yeah,
Your
correct.
license is proper knowledge. No one is
Yeah,
going to check you. But
yeah,
people are there to encourage you that trade, invest here, invest there, do this, do that.
yeah,
Right?
correct.
What I have told today is completely based on my beliefs and my experience. There
Yeah,
are lot of more giants are there who are researching very well and very good out of it.
mm-hmm. Correct.
I am not a hardly. I have not become 1% also.
In
What I have achieved, what I have experienced out of it, I have just
yeah,
might be
I
where I'm some parts I am wrong in my strategy. Means uh, like you like mango, I like orange. This is the difference. Nothing else.
yeah,
Someone is getting the result in intraday. Someone is getting a result in position.
yeah, correct. But
I am
but
getting. I
yeah,
am getting result. I am getting result in positionals. But
yeah.
I can't say that intraday is wrong.
Correct. But it's bit risky enough. Yeah. Then you have a short period of time to prove that your strategy is working or something like that. Correct.
But pro
Yeah.
players can work. Pro
Okay.
players can do it.
Yeah. Correct. So thank you for coming to the podcast. And I think we'll do another podcast on the stock market, because I think there will be a lot of people having some questions. So we will do another podcast where we will be discussing more about the stock market and all these things. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank you for coming to the podcast.
pleasure, man.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.